Hello, Amelia. This is Bilbo, and I am reading for you and for anybody else who wants to listen, The Wolf in Underpants. So let's open it up and see what it's like on the inside. It's got a picture of a wolf. And he's wearing underwear. Goodness gracious. I didn't know that wolves wore underwear, did you? So let's go to the first page. It's got a little animal, and it's just the title of the book. And then we start out. Oh, look, it looks like a mean wolf looking out over a forest. And it says, "High above the forest lives the wolf, an icy cry, crazy eyes. In these woods, we know to move our butts when the wolf comes down to eat." Extra, extra, get your Forest Gazette. 3 more wolf attacks reported. Anti-wolf alarms, wolf traps, wolf defense karate, wolf crime novels. Scared of wolves? Have some hazelnuts. And it also says, with that, it says hazelnut cakes, hazelnut sauces, and hazelnut chips. And then up here, it says anti-wolf fences. And you can see all the animals as they're trying to figure out how to protect themselves from the wolf. Let's look at the wolf. Scary indeed, absolutely. His fangs are like ice picks. His eyes are wild. His coat so rough. Boo, scary. Get your hazelnut chips. Ooh, here. Whoa, the anti-wolf brigade. Thank goodness they're here. The forest pays a lot for them, but it's worth it. And there's the anti-wolf brigade. Greetings, citizens. It's us, the anti-wolf brigade. Rest easy. We've got your back. And then here comes an animal going, "Here comes the wolf." Shaky knees. More shaky knees. Shut. The animals are all hiding and running away because the wolf is coming. Looks like a wolf. I think I saw his snout. I hear he's got horrible fangs inside and mean, mad eyes up top. Nope, here comes the wolf. But what's that? Is that the wolf? It can't be. And what's up with those undies? Hey, what a hoot. You scared the heck out of us. Now you gotta hide. The wolf is here. But I'm the wolf. Huh? Wait a minute. No, we mean the other wolf. The one with crazy eyes, with fangs like ice picks. He lives up there. But that's me. The house up there is mine. Excuse me, but you can't possibly be the same wolf. Your eyes aren't at all wild. Your coat isn't the least bit mangy. And as for sharp teeth, well, you do have those. It's me, I'm telling you. Impossible. The wolf, the real wolf, the one who's been scaring me since I was a tiny hedgehog, would never walk around in underpants like that. Oh, these underpants. These underpants have changed my life. See, I used to have very chilly buttocks. When I would sit on the top of my rock in the evening, the stone was so cold that I would start howling. When I would head into the forest, I couldn't sit down at all. Everything was so cold and wet. The humidity made my eyes look crazy. My hair would stand on end. But ever since I got these underpants, my butt isn't cold any longer. Comfort, it's so important. But where did you get a pair of underpants like that? It was a gift. A gift from whom? From me. He had a cold butt. I knitted him some undies. End of story. End of story, huh? It's not the end until we say so. What? Am I banned from knitting underpants? Is there an anti-underpants brigade protecting the forest too? Silly owl. This has to be a trick. You won't get away with it, you rascal. You've been eating animals in the forest again. Yesterday, 3 young pigs disappeared. What? But that's impossible. I get all my food at a grocery store on the other side of the forest. Look, there's the grocery store. I even have pockets in the side of my pants for spare change. This is a disaster. Now, who's going to buy an anti-wolf fence? And what about my scary wolf lectures? Plus, who will buy my wolf traps? The Forest Gazette has nothing to write about without you. What are we even going to talk about? Looks like a kind of crazy squirrel there. And there are the hedgehogs and a moose. And what about us, the anti-wolf brigade? If the people aren't scared, we've got no reason to exist. There are all the animals. And the wolf says, sorry, but maybe you need more in your lives than just fear. Anyway, I gotta go. Time for some shopping. He's kind of funny, actually. What did he mean, more than just fear? Good question. There's kind of the crazy squirrel again. So fear, perhaps we don't need it? Wolf crime novel, anyone? Wolf traps here? No thanks. Anti-wolf alarms? Nope. The Forest Gazette? Nah. Confused by life? Have some hazelnuts. Hazelnut sausage, hazelnut cake. A hazelnut sausage, please. Hazelnut sausage? Wait a minute. If it wasn't the wolf, what happened to those little pigs who disappeared? I don't know. I guess it's a mystery. Uh-oh. It was the crazy squirrel. And that's the end of The Wolf in Underpants. I love you. I hope that you are doing great. And I will talk to you later, and I'll put this on YouTube too. Bye.